everyone, I was going to do a quick review today on this mop bucket here that I use. It's the JOYMOOP mop bucket. I bought it off Amazon. It's really super simple to fill up, and it has two different spots. You have the water, the clean water here in the first one, and then you have the separate one for the dirty water, which I really like that. And it also comes with 3 of the reusable pads. These right here. It comes with 3 of those. You just throw them in the washing machine, throw them in the jar, and you are done. And they just clip on and they Velcro on the bottom there. But they are super simple to just throw in the washing machine in the jar. I've washed this one several times already, and as you can see, it's still good condition. And I think they do sell the little refillable pads on Amazon also. But yeah, as you can see, it keeps the dirty water separate from the clean water. It's real simple, and it works really great. It's easy to clean, and the biggest thing is you save money with the washable pads here, so you don't have to buy any new pads. Like with the Swiffer, you're always having to buy new refills and everything. That's one good thing about this, is you just pop it in the washing machine jar and you're good to go. And here you go. And the links are below, and you can like and subscribe.